Should I worry about legal jargon in my out-of-court settlement? Imagine signing a document that ends your injury case, but you don't understand what it really says. Legal language can seem confusing, but it's important to get it right. When you settle outside of court, you're agreeing to terms that are legally binding. These terms are written in legal words that explain your rights and responsibilities. If you don't understand them, you might agree to something unfair without realizing it. In personal injury cases, an out-of-court settlement means you accept money or benefits from the other side to drop your lawsuit. The settlement paper will include words like liability, which means who is responsible for the injury, or releases, which means you give up your right to sue later. It also mentions compensation, which is the money or benefits you will receive. Knowing what these words mean helps you understand what you are agreeing to. The language used in settlement agreements is meant to clearly state what claims are settled and if you give up the right to make future claims. Sometimes, the agreement includes clauses that prevent you from asking for more money later. That's why it's so important to know exactly what you are giving up before you sign. Because legal language can be tricky, it's a good idea to have a personal injury lawyer review the settlement. A lawyer can explain the terms in simple words and make sure your rights are protected. They can also help you negotiate better terms if needed. Remember, once you sign a settlement, it's usually final and hard to change. So, should you worry about legal jargon? Not if you have someone to help you understand it. Don't ignore the language in your settlement. Take the time to ask questions or get legal advice. Knowing what you're agreeing to keeps your rights safe and makes sure the deal is fair. It's always better to be cautious than to sign something you don't fully understand.